Hello and welcome to the fourth and quite possibly the last simple coding episode of the Scratch series. Now, in the last episode we covered on a bit of the operations and a bit of controls. And I think today we're just going to look up on my variables and my blocks. And I think this possibly is the last episode, but I might do another just looking at other people's projects and my projects. And I think today we're also going to look at some studios and how to use them. So let's go to our stuff, the stuff we did. Let's make a new one. Start totally fresh. So now that we're in the project, we can go down to variables. And you see how we have my variable to start off everything. So then that makes it easier. So basically my variable is something you can use, like maybe to make something happen. So like you can set it so that whenever you have the green flag pressed, then my variable will start at 0. And also you can make as many variables that you want. You can call them anything you want. You don't have to just use my variable and a bunch of different numbers. And then you can set it to show my variable, or you can have a rename variable, or you can make it delete your variable. So I think if I do this, then it will show the variable, and you can make it hide the variable anytime you want. So I think I'll just go to space so that, and then we can use a bit of controlling to help with this. Make it there. Now we have a system that will make our variables go up. See? Now we have it show. Now we can make it go up. It keeps going up. Now we can have it so we can use this sprite and we can use more operations. So the trick is, if you want this to always be sensing for what you want it to be, you always want to have, so when flag is clicked, do this forever so that it always is trying to pick up when your variable is at something. Then you want to have if. Now we can go back to operations. Then you can set it to any number you want. I'm just going to use 15. Then you can come down here and take this block, and then you can put it in here. So whenever the thing up here, my variable equals 15, we can make the character do something. Like move 10 steps, and then we can just touch back up on here. We can make him say, we can pretend that that's his years, making him look older. So we can go, wow, I'm already, oh wait, I'm spelling everything wrong. Already 15 years old. We can make that say for 3 seconds, and then we can make him play a song sound. And then remember, we can go up here, and I'm just going to search up. Oh, there's no happy birthday? Oh, we're going to have to go to I think we can use that. And back and play. Switch it to this. And we can make it repeat in a 5 thing. So then, and then we can make it go back to variables. and we can make it set it to 0. There. Now we got a system to make it do this. So now we can make him count up his years until he's 15. See? And then when he gets to 15, wow, I'm already 15 years old. And it just played the guitar. And then it set his years back to 0. See? That system works cool. And then whenever you click it back, it's going to set him back to 0. This is just simple ways. Now most of this is stuff we've already used, and I just put in the variables to help you understand that you can make any variable and you can set it to something. You can make it go up by something. You can show it here. You can hide it. And you can make it so that if it equals anything, you can make it do anything you want it to do. And I'm not sure you can make a list. I'm just going to make my name. I don't know what. Oh. I actually haven't used lists before. I think I'll just leave that to someone else. I don't think I'm going to do anything like that. But we can go to My Blocks, like I said we do. Basically, this is really helpful. So, here, let me clear everything this sprite has. So, we start back here. You know how I said in sensing you can make him ask, what's your name? And now if you said something like what it wasn't supposed to be, pretend you had a math question. 15 plus 5. And let's pretend you got it wrong. Now, it's set to just do nothing, so that nothing happens. But say you want him to do it again. Like, we can have this here and ask 15 plus 5. And we can go back here and make it if, and then we can get all of these that we've done before. If answer equals 20, and then we can say good job. Good. And then we have him say 20. And then it says good job. Now if we do this and do like 67, he does nothing. We can make an operation or a My Block and call it question 1. Now there's a definition. We can make it so that if he gets it wrong, we can make him do whatever in here. So then we can make him do the question again. So that if you get it wrong, you can always make him do it again until you get it right. There. Now that we've done that, I think I'm going to show you some of my studios. So I've logged back into my account that I used, and I have some studios. Oh yeah, this was something I made for a different video that never worked out. That one's no good. So here are my studios. I have nothing in this one because I'm going to put in something when I'm done. But I have Dino Music and Games Parkour, so I have parkour games in here. Now really, you can just go into there and do, I think I showed you, but you can add projects. And any of the shared projects will pop up here and you can put them in. Now, you can search up mine, like I said you would be able to. I'm just going to do Games Parkour. And you can search it up, and there would be nothing in projects, I don't think. So there is some in projects, but if we go to studios, if it loads, yeah, this is mine. So, yeah, you can do that. You can also search up Dino Music and go to studios, and it will have the same background. And, I think I'll let you know whenever I'm have some stuff in the stories one, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you. And if you liked it, please like the video. And if you really liked it, please consider subscribing. And I think I might do some more videos again. But till next time, I'll see you later.